I'm Dennis Linkletter, owner and creator of Komodo Kamado grills. Welcome to my home in Bali, Indonesia. Today I'm going to talk to you about side tables. When you first buy a grill, you have to ask yourself, do I have a work surface where I can put my food, where I can put my tongs, my gloves, my spices near the grill? And if you don't, these side tables work great. They come in two versions. This is the solid teak version, which is beautiful, but will eventually require maintenance. Sauce gets spilled between the cracks and they can get burns and oil stains, and you can Scotch-Brite them out and re-oil them, but they are going to take a little bit of maintenance, and of course, like all wood, they will silver from UV. So this is the exact same table, except we have a CNC milled top that we dropped in a piece of brushed 304 stainless. The tables are made out of solid teak. I've been building Komodo Kamado grills for 20 years. I've been woodworking for 35 years here in Indonesia. So they're beautifully made, built to last a lifetime. And so now I'm going to show you how they're installed. This is the side accessory plate. All Komodo Kamados have them. You want to bolt on lights, side tables, anything, you can use these to attach them. So on this other side, I've bolted on the bracket for the side tables. And how we want to install these is you leave the top two Allen bolts loose and the bottom one very loose, because this middle Allen bolt is how you adjust that the tip is level or not. If the tip is a little bit low, you turn this out and the bottom comes out and you can adjust the level. So I'll show you how to do this. These install, you have two male rods and two female sleeves. You slide these in and you check first if this is level, front and back, and then you can see this is a little bit low, and so I'm going to turn this out a little bit, and now the top's level. So we're going to get this all straight, and I'm going to tighten these up a little bit with my fingers, and then I'm going to carefully take this off and tighten these up. You want to do the top ones first. And then this bottom one. And the position is held by this middle Allen bolt. So now you got it all snug. This is the grate hanger, and it hangs like a stethoscope. There's a hole in the back, and there's a hole right here on the front. And all you do is just hang them like that. And so as you saw, the tables can be installed in seconds, but they can also be removed in seconds. These top hangers are for storing the grill, so you just spin it around. You have to take this grate hanger off, and then this just sits like that. Now you can use the wide cover to store the side tables and the grill together. I'm Dennis Linkletter. This is the Komodo Kamado side tables. Thank you for your time.